Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make the title bar of any software window blurry semi-transparent in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, let me open one software or a program, say a Paint, just to give an example. So right now you can see the title bar. So it's not a semi-transparent or transparent or any blurry semi-transparent also. So we don't have any such options to make this software title bar as a blurry semi-transparent. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser. And in the Google search, just search for one application named as Mika for everyone. And on the first place you will see its developer website, just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here releases, just click on it. Now here you will see a tons of files, so you can download the installer versions or you can get the portable version, that is the .zip. So I'll download this .zip file. So our first file download is completed. So before proceeding further, you need to download two more softwares like .NET and Visual C++ runtime. So you can see here system requirements, so you need to download both the software also. So I'll be leaving this two softwares download link in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website. Now just download both this file firstly. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here .NET desktop runtime. So you need to download either for the 64-bit or the 32-bit. So if you see into 64, then you need to download for 64-bit, and if you're using a 32-bit, then you need to download this into 86-bit. So let me download a 64-bit since I'm using a Windows operating 64-bit version. So our second file also is being downloaded. Now let us download the last more file, that is the Visual C++ runtime. So you need to download this more file. Now select your software depending upon your which Windows operating system you're using. If you're using a 64-bit, then get into 64, and if you're using a 32-bit, then download this into 86-bit. So finally we have downloaded all the softwares. So now let us go to the folder where the softwares are saved. Now just install one by one each of this software. So let me install this Windows Desktop Runtime firstly. Click on install. So the first software installation is completed. Now do the same thing with the other software. Just install all the downloaded softwares. So you can see I have already installed the Microsoft Visual C++. So it's not showing any install option. So you don't need to install yet. Just leave it as it is since we have already installed in my case. Now if you have downloaded a zip version of Mika for everyone, then you need to extract this zip file, and if you have downloaded the installer, then you need to install it. Since I have downloaded a zip file, so I just need to extract it. So now just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see here tons of softwares, right? So you can see here Mika for everyone. So this is the application. So just right mouse click on it and click on this run as administrator. Now the software will appear on the taskbar tray menu. Right mouse click on this blue icon and click on the settings. And now just select this run on startup and select this run on administrator on startup. Just turn it on also. Now on the left side you can see here global rule option, just click on it, and now you will see here backdrop type. So by default Mika is selected, and just click on this down arrow icon, and now just select this acrylic, and now you can see again on the left side explorer, just click on it, and once again just under the backdrop type instead of this default select this acrylic, and on the left side you can see again MS Paint, just click on it also, and once again under this backdrop type just set it to acrylic. Now you can close this window. Now let me reopen the one software. So let me, just to give you an example, let me open a pen software. Now you can see here finally we have made the title bar of this respective software blurry semi-transparent, as you can see here, blurry semi-transparent as you can see. So let me open the file explorer also. So you can see here file explorer also semi-transparent as you can see here. So if I open a control panel also, so you can see the title bar of any software window is having a blurry semi-transparent. So if you want to restore it back, you can just click on this taskbar tray menu icon and just right mouse click on this blue icon, click on exit. Now if you reopen the program software, so you can see it's being restored back. So by using this software named as Mika for everyone, you can make the title bar of any software window blurry semi-transparent in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.